Alrighty, I guess you can say I'm officially an idiot.
I'm on the run.
Welcome to my house in Austin. This is the house we're getting ready to sell, but today we're doing these tools right here. And I've never had these tools before, clearly. It's very echoey in here, sorry about that. So we're gonna do a little review on them. After all my electrical work that I've done on this house, it's no wonder why I have a couple outlets that are reverse polarity, because I didn't use these. And so we are going to use these. How the heck do you open them? Voltage tester, non-contact. So you just basically put it close to the wire and it tells you if there's voltage coming out. I think that's how that one works. The other one in here, GFCI tester. And so this tells you if there's an open ground, open neutral, open hot, hot and ground reverse, hot and neutral reverse, correct wiring. So there's that. It also comes with some batteries, so that's cool. Press the power button and the green light turns on. So there's that. So we're gonna do a test here to see if their tool was correct. I think it was, maybe. How it is. See that? Which means hot and neutral are reversed. So, which leads me to believe all of these in here are hot and neutral reversed, which I'm pretty sure is true, which came back on the inspection. Yep. So that means, I wonder if I connected it to the panel wrong. That would be kind of weird, right? If it was connected to the panel wrong. So this is the outlets, or the outlets there, and that you see the black coming in there, black, and that goes up to the wire up through there, and that will go all the way into the house. So I'm wondering if at a junction box I cross them. The second thing before I get into the attic, which is my least favorite thing in the world. Electrical is still on, so just make sure you remember. All right, so we're gonna flip this on. There we go, and then we'll test it right here. Here, power, ground, neutral. So this technically should be, this is red, which means hot and neutral are reversed. Hot and neutral reversed. Alrighty, I guess you can say I'm officially an idiot. I have reversed every wiring of an outlet that I've ever done, and I just now know about it. The black wire is supposed to go on the right side, not on the left side. And I don't know why I didn't know that. I am guessing it's because I did a wiring in the past or replaced something and the black wire was on the left side and I just didn't know that was, those were switched, like the power was switched in those wires in like an old house, or I'm just an idiot. Probably just an idiot. So I guess the thing now is to switch one of these, make sure it works properly, and then test to see if it comes correct on this bad boy, and then do them for the rest of the things in here. So I gotta go turn the power off and then switch it out. So see y'all and watch me do some fun electrical. Alrighty, first check to see if any of the wires are live. So we're just gonna press this on, green light, check. So that one's no longer on, that one's not on, that one's not on. And for a double check, we gotta go. Oh.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found.
Kicked. No, no, yes. It turned red. Now this, good, correct wiring. Show you, just to prove that I'm not that stupid. 2 on the left, 1, 2, correct wiring. So now I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left to do.
Everything I want might be a miracle.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the final countdown, where we check the electrical. 2 stars, let's get it. They all worked. Almost hit the light. Alrighty, so that's about it for this one. It works pretty good. I should have bought this a long time ago. I'm not sure why I didn't. I guess because no one told me to. I guess that's the downside of not working with an electrician or someone experienced and just doing YouTube stuff. This thing works as well. And this thing was like 25 bucks. So I got it at Home Depot. You can buy it at the link in the bio on Amazon, or go to Home Depot, whatever you want to do. So that's about it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you later.